Yeah, and like this top layer here, I mean, that's all just frozen gravel, and it was just chewing that up.
Yep.
That's really hard. And then we have our layer of solid ice and then solid class 5, so I mean that, and it was working really well on that. But then you have the option to turn it sideways, so you can just keep a nice, I mean, you could carve some nice holes with it. We do a lot of that. We do a lot of trenching where it doesn't have to be very wide, and that would be perfect if you held it the other way. It's just nice. There's different, you know, with the turbo, it doesn't matter how you hold it, it's going to cut in a circle, and this thing, it's got options.